Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by deciding metal thickness and cutting layout because it governs flexibility and fit. Mark the gore wedges directly on the sheet. Use a straight edge and permanent marker so lines stay visible. Clamp the sheet to the bench to stop slipping while you cut. Cut one trial gore first to check angle and fit. If it's off, adjust measurements before proceeding. Once the trial matches, you're set to cut the remaining gores with confidence. Next, cut each wedge following your trace lines, keeping steady pressure to avoid jagged edges. File the raw edges progressively. Start coarse, then refine to prevent stress risers. You shape every gore over a mandrel or shaped former to get a consistent curve. Tap gently with a mallet while supporting the opposite side, and heat with a torch only when necessary to avoid warping. Make sure adjoining edges align. Test assemble loosely to confirm even spacing before moving to fastening. Now assemble the gores into the final form by aligning seams and fastening at regular intervals. Choose spot welds for strength or rivets for removable sections. After assembly, sand, prime, and finish with paint or clear coat to prevent corrosion. If you encounter gaps, reheat gently and reform or cold form with a vise and hammer for small corrections. If fit is off, don't force. Measure, trim, and rejoin. Make sure seams sit flat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.